your girl Capri. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review. This is really like my very first hair review. So I'm going to be reviewing a wig that is from Original Queen. They contacted me and was like, we would love to send you a wig to review. So I was like, let's do it. This is what the box looks like. Their packaging is so pretty. And on here it says, Original Queen hair will always provide you the best quality and service. So it is sealed. Like I said, it comes just like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so the hair comes in a bag like this, sealed. So in the box they have a card. On here it says Original Queen Hair, the United States registered brand. We have over 10 years hair factory experience. Our factory has over 300 workers who have worked for us for 3 to 10 years. We can produce over 15,000 pieces every day. The price is much cheaper and the quality is best. We mainly have bundles, lace fronts, closures, and frontals. So yeah, y'all, the hair texture that they sent me is kinky curly, and it is in a 16-inch. And this is the hair. It comes with a little wig cap on it, a net, a wig net. So yeah, guys, this is how the hair looks. The hair feels really soft actually. And I actually like the curls. Got an elastic strap. And there is 4 combs in here. So that is good that they got combs in here and an elastic band. I look for that in wigs. The frontal looks good. I just need to bleach the knots, looks like. But the hairline looks amazing, y'all. Look at that. I did notice that it didn't come with a wig cap in there. That may be just an accident. I did tell Jennifer that I did not receive a wig cap, and she handled that ASAP, so I do have wig caps now. So I really appreciate that. This is what it looks like on. Obviously, I have not done anything to it yet, but I wanted to show you guys this hairline. The hairline looks amazing, y'all. Look at that. The hairline looks very good. Like I said, the hair is super soft. I'm definitely gonna have to bleach it, but the hairline looks good. I'm probably gonna pluck it just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and bleach this and put it on and do all of that. But guys, look, the hair so far so good. So I'm gonna go bleach it, wash it, and customize it to my liking. I'm gonna pluck the hairlines a little bit, and I'll be right back to show you guys. This is how the wig turns out, y'all. This wig is very beginner friendly. I am no professional at all when it comes to installing wigs, cutting lace, laying baby hairs, and this was super easy for me. So like the hair texture feels very good. I did bleach the knots. I'm gonna come in close and show you guys. I bleached those. I did not have to cut any baby hairs. I actually just swooped this. I didn't cut any of the baby hairs at all. And like the frontal, it looks really good, y'all. Really, really good. I'm very satisfied with this frontal. Now I did have like a little bit of shedding. I am gonna show you guys that. This is how much the hair shed. It's really not that much at all. I mean, after that, I didn't have no shedding other than when me plucking. Obviously, when you're plucking, you're going to have hair fallout. But this is all the shedding that I had before plucking the wig. So I feel like that is just a little bit of hair. It's really nothing. And like I said, it's no shedding anymore, as I can tell. Maybe as I wear overtime, there may be, I don't know. But yeah, as far as liking the wig, I love the wig. I love the curls. The curls are just very pretty. Even after washing it, it still kept the exact curls. I did set this with a little bit of setting lotion, and that's all I used. I am loving this wig. I really don't have any cons about this wig other than the little bit of shedding, and that's it. It bleached very well. It took very well. I did add myself in a part, and I plucked that in there. And yeah, I love this wig. This is 16 inches, kinky. And yeah, y'all, I think this wig is cute. Other than that, I do wish the wig was a tad bit longer. I like to go for longer wigs, but other than that, the wig is a great wig. I would say this is a good quality wig. I'm gonna leave all the information about this wig down below if you want to go check it out and order your own. Queen Hair, again, did send me this hair, and I absolutely think that it is worth the money. I want to say this wig is only about $100, maybe like $107. I do think that is very affordable for human hair. If you guys like this video and you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And guys, if you love videos like this, let me know down in the comments. And like I always say, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.